So we have to have the minuend has to be big enough that we can take the subtrahend away. So what do we do if there's not enough in the bigger number? What was that? Regroup. Okay. So if there's not enough, if there is enough, then we just subtract, right? If there's not enough, no. We regroup. What does that mean?
It's like when we we would cross off the 8 and then we would add a 1 to that and that would be 14 and then you could take that away.
Okay. I heard that and that sounded almost perfect except I heard you add a 1 to this. Isn't 1 plus 4 5?
Like what I mean is like add a 10.
Oh, because this came from the tens column. Do we all see that? 3 1,000s. There's, how many hundreds do we have? Oh.
That's why there's nothing in that one because there's 0, so there's 0 in that.
Okay, why do I even put that 0 there?
Because
if you took it away, it would have made 342.
Yeah, it's a placeholder, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's for us to know
so you don't
that.
get confused
Yeah.
of 342.
All right, we're straight on that. And newbie, how much are we taking away? What is the subtrahend?
465.
465. We're taking away 465. One more question before we get going. Between each place value spot, what is the difference between each place value spot? If you had the same number 4 here and you had a 4 here, how much greater is this 4 on that side?
It would be
By 10.
10 times greater.
Yeah.
Oh, and you said earlier, when we take away 1 from the tens column, we're adding 10 to the
next lowest number.
next lowest number, the ones column. Okay, I think I got that straight. So I've got my 3. Okay, so we've got 10 100s, which is the same as 1,000. Okay, so now,
Change that.
hold on. This,
Add 1 right.
what was that? What was our
2.
success?
Put this at 2.
So we
Cross it out,
take
put 2.
we take 1 away here, and that's 2, leaves me 2.
And add 1,000.
Add 1 here.
And now you're gonna have to, when you're done making
No,
that, it's
wait, not add 1. I got
No,
it wrong.
a
What do we
10.
add 10? Yes, because thousands are 10 times great.
And now when you make this a 10, then you have to cross it off
Out
and
and
make it
put
a 9.
1 Put 1 here. Cross the 10 out.
And make it a 9.
Oh, okay. So I cross the 10 out.
Make
Make
it
it
a
a
9.
9.
I'm taking 1 away from here, right?
Put a 9.
And then that's going over here. Where should we put those?
Here.
Beautiful.
And
Okay.
then add 13.
So
Take away 6. 1.
okay.
And then I have 7 left, so I put it 7 here.
So that's going to be part of your difference. Got it. Okay, so I'm going to take those away. So now what?
Then I go to the other question.
Okay, so we go to the
I have
tens.
to regroup again because 4 is less than 7.
Okay.
So I'll go start from 2 because
There's no hundreds to
Yeah.
take from? Okay, so we've got 2,000.
So I'll
So
take
we
away
took 1 away. Okay, I saw you did that.
and then I'll get 10 of these.
10 of those, got it. And that matches what it says over here. Oh, on your scratch paper.
I remember that I think my mistake was instead of giving it to the 0, I just gave it straight to the 4.
Gotcha. So we have to make sure that we are very explicit about this step, right? If there's nothing right next door to take, and I have to go over 2 spots, I have to take away 1,000 and move it to the 100 spot first, and that would give me 10 100s, right? 1 1,000 is the same as 10 100s. And then I could take 1 100 out and change it to 10 10s. So we have to keep track and make sure that we don't just move it over a couple of spots. It has to move over one spot at a time for it to make sense. And I think you'll be more successful. All right, where are we at here? Huh. Okay. So you got what? 577? Okay. So let's see what happened. So you did 13 minus 6, and that gave you 7. That makes sense to me.